Can you imagine a glamping experience in New York City on the Brooklyn waterfront in the heart of Greenpoint? In this video, we showcase shipping container glamping on the Brooklyn waterfront with stunning views of the Manhattan skyline. Located on the Brooklyn waterfront in the heart of Greenpoint, 9 shipping containers have been converted into super comfortable glamping units equipped with every amenity for unforgettable stay while taking in the mind-blowing scenery of the Brooklyn waterfront. These unique tiny houses are made from 2 20-foot shipping containers placed side by side and stitched together, offering 2 different style accommodation units. The first typology is the shipping containers upcycled and converted into studio rooms that can comfortably sleep too. The second typology is for those who appreciate the concept but still wouldn't mind a bit of more space. The 2 containers are stitched together to create a separate living area and a bedroom space. All the units face towards the water with an unobstructed, amazing view of the Manhattan skyline. The containers sit on a pier foundation and are elevated off the ground to offer vantage views. Due to the house's elevated position, the main entrance to each unit is accessed via elevated wooden steps. The main entrance opens into a compact living space fitted with a comfortable couch for lounging and a record player to play some classic music, making this place an ideal getaway. The sun shines through the container home, brightening the space and accentuating the unobstructed views of the Manhattan skyline. From the lounge area is a small dining space that can sit 2. The master bedroom is fitted with a comfortable double bed and a big glass door that lights up the bed space with a clear view of the water. Each unit has a modern bathroom that features a custom walk-in shower, a toilet, a wash and basin, and a big bathroom mirror. The interior of the container house is framed, insulated and lined with plasterboard, and all walls painted in amazing light colors to make the spaces appear bigger and brighter, giving that illusion of large indoor spaces. The shipping containers retain their original markings and colors to celebrate the industrial aesthetics and the marine history of each container. The units feature a common area with chairs and tables, plus hammocks and even a couple of grills for barbecuing. Feel free to check it out for more details on the official website using the link in the description below. What do you like about these amazing shipping container homes? Would you stay in these staycations for the listed price? Give us your opinion by posting in the comment section below. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and feel free to share it. You are encouraged to subscribe to our YouTube channel where we showcase the best of shipping container projects from around the world. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.